oh, Latino women are more submissive, Asian women are submissive, white women are submissive. Can we please shut the I'm so sick and tired of black men being hypocritical when they're making these videos. Because one thing black men love is this submission talk. Go on TikTok and just type submit to men. Woo!
Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Robbie Masaga. Today I want to talk about a very important conversation. There's this video of a certain black guy I was watching earlier. He was calling out his fellow black men for being hypocritical when it comes to how they treat black women. Now, this guy said that some, and I repeat, some black men, they are quick to say that black women are aggressive, black women are not submissive, and they turn around and treat these women better than how they treat black women. There's a reason why he said that, but first I want you to watch this video here, then let me know in the comment section, do you agree with him, or do you think he's just trying to rant out on things that don't even make sense? Let me know on the comment section, and remember to subscribe, like and share as well. Let's watch, then come back, we continue with this amazing discussion. Yeah.
Oh, Latino women are more submissive, Asian women are submissive, white women are submissive. Can we please shut the fuck up? I'm so sick and tired of black men being hypocritical when they're making these videos. Because one thing black men love is this submission talk. Go on TikTok and just type submit to men. Woo! Black men everywhere. There's this guy Stacey Prince, he's the one I've seen lately. That's his entire spiel. Why are black women not submissive to their men? Why are black women this? Well, let me ask you a simple question. And have you noticed this hypocrisy from black men? And I'm going to make a deeper video on this when I'm at my studio. Have you noticed that anytime black men go to date women from other cultures, these men do not act the same? Anytime black men go to date Latino women, Asian women, white women, they always go correct. They always go different. The way a black man behaves with an average black woman is not the same way that black man is going to behave with a non-black woman. I'm telling you, and I've said this before multiple times when I started my channel actually, and I'm going to keep saying it. Sorry, there's construction happening there, so forgive me if it's a bit noisy. But yeah, have you noticed that anytime a black man goes to date a non-black woman, he always comes correct? Now, even if he's not rich, he always changes his behavior. He's more understanding, he's more calm, and it's not because, oh, she's more submissive than the black woman. It's just because, bro, you know the power dynamics. You have no power. You have no power. That's why you think she's better. Because you have no power. The way you would treat a black woman is the way you would never treat a white woman, especially in the West. Bro, you will end up in jail. How many black men have lost their lives because a white woman called the police on him and they didn't even question her, put the bullets right into his head? How many black men can try nonsense with an Asian woman who has a solid army of community behind her? How many black men can talk crap to a Latino woman when she will call her whole brothers and his brother's brother and cousins to come and knock your head? Who do you think you are? So date who you want to date. Who cares? Nobody really cares, man. Just shut the up trying to put down black women because you're trying to, I don't know whether you're trying to win from non-black women. I'm so sick of this. And also, black men are the loudest group of men, but the least productive. Black men talk so much. We talk so much about what we want from women. What have we done? What have we as black men done? Every single country operated by black men in Africa, in Caribbean, are some of the most dysfunctional countries in the world. What submits to a man in chaos? Do you know what you need to do and create for women to submit to you? By the way, I'm with cows. I got cows around me. You know, who the submits to a man in chaos when she has to worry about getting shot, when there's gunshots in the night, corruption, stress, unemployment, yet you want her to submit to you because what? You got a dick. That woman that you're hyping up, that Latino woman, the white woman, the Asian woman, she's submissive. She's submissive to you because of that, you know? Yeah. Like, let's be real with ourselves, gentlemen. Submission. I'm sick of this fucking submission black men always talk about. Submit. Oh God, calm down. Build yourself. Build your countries. Become a man. I've dated black women. They've been submissive to me. Guess why? Because I did what I had to do. I took care of my responsibility. You know? I took care of my responsibility. I did not outsource my responsibility and then blame everybody else but myself. I did not outsource my responsibility and then say, oh, I'm not going to do anything. I'm not going to create a safe environment so that the woman can be in a feminine. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to be a chaotic guy and then expect her to be the best version of herself and submit to me. Man, let's stop this hypocrisy, guys. If you Google powerful economies, if you Google powerful militaries, Google things that matter, you don't see black men represented there. So are we to complain about women not submitting to us? Let's shut and build. There's a lot of black men talking about submission. Where is all this energy? Where is all this energy from black men when you know the West are dominating our countries? Where's all this call for submission and standing up to the police that unalive black men with reckless abandon? Huh? But no. Let's focus on black women. Let's focus on them and how masculine they are. You blame black women for single mothers, yet you're the ones fucking around, bragging about how many women you fucked. But they're single mothers though. They're the problem. Nonsense.
I know this is a topic that has been covered so many times, but the reason why we still do it even now, it's because it has not yet sunk in our black men. They still don't see any value in black women. And I do agree with this guy here. I agree with him 100%. This kind of double standard, this is a problem that needs to be addressed in our community. We need to talk about it. Why is that black women are always seen as less than? Yet, historically, they've always stood by black men. They've stood with black men 100%. For so long, the society has painted a black woman as overly strong, aggressive, she's not submissive, but this is a false narrative. Yeah, we don't want to see the good side of a black woman. Have you people come to Africa and see how our mothers treat even strangers? A black woman is incredibly loving. She's caring. Yeah, she's very supportive, and that is why we see that nowadays people even from other races, they teach their kids to always look for help from a black woman because they know our behavior. They know we are good people. But our black men, they don't see us. They don't see that. And when they go to this other side, when they start dating from a different race, it's the very opposite. They see only the good side of those women. They don't see a bad side. Yeah, they don't. And that is why nowadays, black women don't want to get married to black men, because our men, all they do is complain. They don't see anything good from us. Why is that the case, guys? Why is that you've never just sat down and evaluate someone first? We all have our bad side and our good side. No one is perfect. No one is pure. We all have that bad side and good side. But why have you people have never sat down and tried to evaluate us? Try to think, why is a black woman aggressive? Why does she act that way? Maybe you're the problem. Just try to look around a black man who's dating these women. You'll see how that man is treating that woman. And now come to this other side and see how a black man dating a black woman, how they treat that black women. Just try to compare the two. You'll get to understand that our men are very hypocritical. Yeah, they are fake. The reason why you're being hypocritical, it's because when you go to this other side, this is not you. You're just acting up. You just want to show this person you're a good person, but you're not. And when you come to black women, that is when now the true you comes out. Why, guys? If you can treat a white woman with a lot of kindness, with patience, with respect, Why can't you show the same to a black woman? Yeah, we also need to be treated like other women. Treat us the same as you treat other women. It's time for us, guys, to stop tearing each other down. It's time for us to, uplift each other, hold each other's hand. We need to be on top. Yeah, both of us, we need to be on top instead of us always, trying to bring each other down. We need to stop that. All a black woman needs is for you to cherish her. Yeah, don't tear her down. Yeah, stop seeing the negative side of her. Try to see even the positive side. We need support from you, our men. Yeah, guys, let me know what you think about this video here. Do you agree with me? Do you agree with him? Let me know on the comment section, and we meet on the next episode. Remember to subscribe, like, and share as well.